Welcome to the Biodiversity Education Center in Coppell Nature Park. Coppell Nature Park is 66 acres of forested land. The building itself is a green facility. Our roof is shaped like butterfly wings in a V, so that when it rains, the water will funnel from the top of the roof into the metal cistern. Coppell Nature Park is home to three main ecosystems that you can see on our trails. The first being, of course, forested areas. You can see this as you're walking along the trails. The second main ecosystem is riparian, which is when any body of water meets land. So Cottonwood Creek is a riparian ecosystem. The third main ecosystem is Blackland Prairie. The Biodiversity Education Center offers field trips. One of the areas we use for field trips is the outdoor education classroom. We encourage you and your family to come and explore this program along with others, and encourage you to be true explorers yourself.